Hello, all my lovely teen crafters. Today we are making our to-do lists, and they are made using a picture frame. So I'm going to be using an 8x10 frame for the purposes of my video, but your kit will have a 5x7 frame inside. Along with that, you will find a couple different options of scrapbooking paper. Hopefully you like one of the ones that your kit came with. If not, you're welcome to grab anything you've got lying around at home, something you want to use up. Absolutely, you can go for it. Also inside your kit, you are going to find a dry erase marker. This one just happens to be black, but there's a whole bunch of different colors that came with my order, so you might get something brighter. They are kind of a finer point to help you write on your frame. Okay, so that will be helpful. From your supplies at home, you should also grab just a pencil or something to trace with, and of course a pair of scissors. Okay. Pencil's gonna roll across the table here. To get started, your first step is to open up your frame. There we go. Perfect. All right, so flip your frame over. You are going to work on getting your back out of your frame. Mine has these little pop tabs, so I will get those. Of course, they kill your fingers. Aha. Now set that back aside. You're definitely going to need that. But you're also going to want to grab the template that came inside your frame. This is going to be the piece that you trace. Okay. So take a peek at your scrapbook paper. Figure out which piece you think is going to work the best for you. And then when you are ready, you are going to hopefully line up your template in a spot on the paper that you like. Now, it doesn't have to be perfectly aligned with the top, corner, whatever works for you. Grab that pencil or pen and get tracing. Okay. So I would recommend actually hanging onto your template. Don't toss this away. If there comes a point where you ever want to change out the paper that's inside of your frame, you'd have something quick and easy to trace with. That might come in handy for different seasons or different holidays if you want to throw something else inside. Okay, so when you're ready, get cutting. My paper, there were spots that didn't want to trace correctly. I think it's because of the coating that was on the paper, but I can kind of sort of see the line to make it work. Almost there. One more side. right, so at some point, ta-da, here's my paper. Ooh, late. There we go. Now, at some point, if you want to write anything along the top or put any kind of designs or vinyl or paint on your paper, you're welcome to do that. I figured I would wait until I see what the best use for my dry erase board, if you will, is before I tackle that step. But if it's something you wanted to do now, you're absolutely welcome to pause the video, grab your supplies, and decorate your paper. But I'm going to keep rolling. Okay, so you're going to lay your paper design side out. Okay. Like I said, keep that template, put that in the back of your frame as well. And then grab your back, bend those little tabs over again. Okay, ready for the reveal? Ha! There it is, okay? Now keep in mind, you have the option to either mount your picture frame on the wall, just like a regular frame would, or you can, there it is, set your frame up on a table or on a stand. That would work as well. So now all you do, grab your dry erase marker, there we go. For these markers, I realize it takes a little bit to get the ink all the way down into the tip, but you start making your list, okay? And it should wipe off just like a regular dry erase board would. All right, I know today's craft is a simple, quick, easy one, but hopefully you'll have some fun and maybe help keep yourself organized as the school year goes on, okay? So I will talk to you and hopefully, maybe, see you soon. Bye, everyone.